Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach artichoke dip, and for this you need 2 8-ounce cream cheese blocks and 1 8-ounce block of mozzarella cheese cut up into about 1-inch cubes, and go ahead and put that in your crock pot. Next you want to put your artichoke hearts that are chopped up and drained into the crock pot. Now go ahead and add your chopped spinach and make sure it's thawed and drained. Then add your 5 cloves of minced garlic. And just make sure it's mixed up really well. Go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, and we use Tony Chachere's, but you can use any Creole seasoning that you have. Then go ahead and put 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and just mix it up really well to incorporate all the seasoning that you just put in. You also need an 8-ounce block of Monterey Jack cheese. They did not have the block of cheese, so I went ahead and bought the shredded, and I will add that close to the end so it doesn't melt too quickly. Go ahead and cover your crock pot, and you want to cook this for about 1 to 2 hours, basically until it's melted. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank y'all and have a blessed day.